Hello, Chicago. Full stop. New paragraph. Wake up. Hello, Chicago. Full stop. New paragraph. If there is anyone out there who still doubts that America is a place where all things are possible, comma, who still wonders, comma, if the dream of our founding fathers is alive in our time, comma, who still questions the power of our democracy, full stop. Tonight is your answer, full stop. New paragraph. It's the answer told by lives that stretched around schools and churches. Full stop. The numbers this nation has ever seen, comma, by people who have waited 3 hours and 4 hours, many for the first time in their lives, comma, because they believed that this time must be different, full stop, that their voices could be. It's the answer spoken by young and old, comma, rich and poor, comma, Democrat and Republican, comma, black, white, comma, Hispanic, comma, Asian, gay, straight, disabled and non-disabled, full stop. Americans who sent a message to this that we have never been just a collection of individuals. We are and always will be the United States of America, full stop, new paragraph. It's the answer that led those who've been told for so long by so many, comma, to be fearful, comma, doubtful about what we can achieve, full stop, to put their hands on the arc of history, full stop, and bend it once more to the hope of a better day, full stop. It's been a long time coming, comma, but tonight, comma, because of what we did on this day, comma, in this election, comma, at this defining moment, full stop, change has come to America, full stop. New paragraph. A little bit earlier this evening, comma, I received an extraordinarily gracious call from Senator McCain, full stop. Senator McCain fought long and hard in this campaign, comma, and he's fought even longer and harder for the country that he loves, full stop. He has endured sacrifices for America that most of us cannot begin to imagine, full stop. We are better off for the service rendered by this brave and selfless leader, full stop. I congratulate him, comma, I congratulate Governor Palin for all they have achieved, comma, and I look forward to working with them to renew this nation's promise, full stop. New paragraph. I want to thank my partner in this job, a man who campaigned as hard, comma, and spoke for the men and women that he grew up with on the streets of, comma, and rode home with on the train to Delaware, comma, Joe Biden, full stop, new paragraph. And I would not be standing here tonight without the unyielding support of my best friend, comma, for the last 16 years, comma, the rock of our family, comma, the love of my life, comma, the nation's next First Lady, colon, Michelle Obama, full stop, new paragraph. Sasha and Malia, I love you both more than you can imagine, comma, and you have earned the puppy who is coming with us to the White House, full stop. And while she's no longer with us, I know my grandmother's watching, along with the family who made me who I am, full stop. They are missing tonight, comma. I know that my debt to them is unmeasurable, full stop. To my sister Maya, comma, all my other brothers and sisters, comma, thank you so much for all the support that you have given me, full stop, new paragraph. To my campaign manager, comma, David Klumpf, comma, the unsung hero of this campaign, who built the best, comma, the best political campaign, I think, in the history of the United States of America, full stop. To my chief strategist, David Axelrod, comma, who's been a partner with me every step of the way, comma, to the best campaign team ever assembled in the history of politics, comma, you made this happen, comma, and I am forever grateful for what you sacrificed to get it done, full stop. But above all, comma, I will never forget who this victory really belongs to, comma, it belongs to you, full stop. It belongs to you, full stop. I was never the likeliest candidate for this office, full stop. We didn't start with much money or many endorsements, comma, our campaign was not hatched in the halls. It began in the backyards and the front porches of Charleston, full stop. It was built by working men and women who dug into what little savings they had, $10 and $20 to the cause, full stop. It grew strength from the young people who rejected the myth of their generation's apathy, comma, who left their homes, comma, and their families for jobs that offered little pay and less sleep, full stop. It drew strength from the not-so-young people, comma, who braved the bitter cold, comma, scorching heat, and knocked on doors to perfect strangers, comma, and to the millions of strangers who volunteered and who proved that more than 2 centuries later the government of the people, comma, by the people, comma, and for the people, comma, has not perished from the earth, comma, this is your victory, full stop. New paragraph. Now I know that you didn't do this just to win an election, comma, I know that you didn't do it for me, full stop. You did it because you understand the enormity of the task that lies ahead, comma, for even as we celebrate tonight, comma, we know the challenges that tomorrow will bring, full stop, are the greatest of our lifetime, full stop. 2 words, colon, a planet in peril, comma, the worst financial crisis in a century, comma, even as we stand here tonight, we know that there are brave Americans, comma, waking up in the mountains of Afghanistan to risk their lives for us, full stop. Their mothers and fathers who will lie awake after the children fall asleep and wonder how they make it work, or pay their doctor's bills, or save enough for a child's college education, full stop. There's new energy to harvest, comma, new jobs to create, comma, new schools to build, comma, new alliances to prepare, full stop. The road ahead will be long, comma. Our climb will be steep, comma. We may not get there in 1 year or even in 1 term, full stop. But America, I have never been more hopeful that I am tonight, comma, that we will get there, full stop. I promise you that we as a people will get there, full stop.